If you would like to add some materials to Schoology, there are many different types of materials you can add. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can attach PDFs or Word documents, PowerPoints, things of that nature that are just for informational purposes, meaning you're going to link them and you're going to input them into your course, but the students can't actually do anything with them except open them and read them. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the course where you want to insert the material, and hopefully you have come up with an organizational system for your class. You can see here I have folders for the current month. Any of my old work from previous months I have moved into this folder, and then I have another folder here for parent resources. So let's say that I want this document for my students to go into my November folder. So I'm going to click on the little caret next to it. And I could further subdivide this by folders, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to insert the PDF. So in order to get it where I want it to go, and I want it to go in the November folder, I'm going to click on that caret so it's open, and then I'm going to bring my cursor right below the word November. This green dotted line allows you to insert something and for it to go directly in Schoology exactly where you want it. And I want it to go right in this folder, right underneath November. So I'm going to click on that green dotted line, and now you can see I have all the different types of Schoology materials that I can add. So because I want to add a file, so I'm going to come down to the option that says Add File, Link, or External Tool. So these are my three options. I want to attach a file. A link would be if you wanted to include a link to a website that you wanted the students to go to, but in this case we're going to go over to File. And this is going to bring up a new window that's going to allow you to select what it is you want to attach on your computer for your students to view. So you'll be presented with this window, and then you're going to click Attach Files. And then you're going to select where that file is on your computer. In my case, I have a Schoology folder, and I'm going to go into my worksheets that I have that I want to attach, and I can see here this is the PDF that I want to attach for my students. So I'm going to click Open. So you can see it has been attached, and it's actually going to be viewed with this name for the students. So if you would like to make this a little bit neater, what you can do is click Edit Details so that it comes out a little bit nicer looking. So I'm going to just call this Articulation Stories, and I'm just going to get rid of all that extension information, and then I'm going to click Add. So now inside my November folder, you will see the PDF is here. It's represented by the PDF icon, and when the students click on it, it's going to open up within Schoology, and the students will be able to view it inside of Schoology. And keep in mind, the students cannot annotate or do anything on this document. This is really just for informational purposes. If they needed to download it to their own computer or they needed to print it, there are options here. But the way that we have inserted this is just for informational purposes. No activity can be done on this. And that's the process of uploading a PDF. The process works the same if you are doing a Word document or any other type of file that you have stored on your computer.